BASIC, which stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, is a programming language that was developed in the 1960s. It was designed to be simple and easy to understand, making it accessible to beginners who wanted to learn how to program. BASIC has evolved over the years and has been implemented on various computer systems and platforms. BASIC is a high-level programming language that uses English-like words and phrases for its commands, making it relatively easy to read and write. It has a simple syntax and typically uses line numbers to indicate the order in which statements are executed. BASIC programs are usually interpreted, meaning that the code is executed directly without being compiled into machine code like some other programming languages. BASIC has been widely used for a variety of purposes, including education, scientific calculations, business applications, and video game development. Some popular variations of BASIC include Microsoft's Visual Basic, QB64, and FreeBASIC. BASIC provides a foundation for learning programming concepts such as variables, loops, conditionals, and functions, which are fundamental building blocks for more complex programming languages. While it may not be as widely used today as it once was, BASIC remains a valuable tool for learning programming concepts and developing simple applications.